Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to check the hard drive health, what exactly the life of your hard drive is, and I'll tell you the two ways through which you can get to know about the health of your hard drive, whether it's working fine or not. All right, and it is very easy to check. So here in the start icon, just do a right click and then go to Task Manager. This will work on all version of Windows. So even if you're using Windows 7, you can check in a same manner. So here we need to go to this Performance tab, and then we need to go to the disk. And here, if you're using Windows 11, you will see the brand, what exactly the brand you have, which manufacturer you're using. So I'm using the 4C, and it is actually an SSD. So it will show you SSD, and if you're using HDD, it will show it right there. The main thing why we are here is to check how much percentage, how much it is using the resources. So as far as the disk is concerned, it should not be more than, I would say 30 to 40% if you're not copying or pasting. All right. So in this manner, you can see that yes, your hard drive is working and there is no load on your hard drive. And if it's going way above 80, 90 or 100, then you need to check on. And I will, you know, put a link in the video. At the end of this video, you will see if you have a 100 disk problem, 100% disk usage problem, then it will be fixed with that tutorial. So we have checked right here. You can see the capacity, page file, and writing speed and everything you will see here. The next way is to check through by running the CHKDSK command, not through the command prompt. We will go to this PC. So you can search File Explorer. I'll tell you what exactly you need to do. Just type file and you will find File Explorer. All right. So once you open the File Explorer, go to this PC and select your C drive, where exactly your operating system is installed. So just do a right click on that, and then go to Properties. And here in Properties, we need to go to Tools. And here you need to run this check. This option will check the drive for the file system error. And you can scan the drive. So if there is something wrong in the hard drive, it will check right here. And this should not take much time. Within 2 to 5 minutes, this will be done. In my computer, it's taking hardly 20 to 30 seconds, maybe a minute of 2 to 3 minutes, and it can be done. If there are some errors, you can, it will fix right there. All right. So you can also let me know in the comment section whether you have a SSD or HDD. And if you have a 100% disk usage, you can watch this video and your issue will be fixed. Do let me know in the comment section as well. All right, and also let me know if you have found any errors. So I can see Windows was successfully scanned, your drive was successfully scanned, no errors were found. If I go to show details, it will show me the details right here, that what exactly the problem was. So currently I don't have any issues, so I'm good to go. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and please leave a comment. I'll be glad if you do that. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.